Hi, this is Carole Conlon. Today's topic on mastering the mind has to do with Synchronicity Alert. What is Synchronicity Alert? What happens is that you take two seemingly unrelated events and know that they are somehow intertwined. So it is important for us to, as a dowser especially, to research, find out how could they be connected and causing the problem for the client. One example would be the triggering event. A person takes a fall in, say, June, but there's no pain until December. And at that point, the pain is super severe. So we look at what happened in November or December, either physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, to the person, to try to figure out what triggered the pain to start up and clear it, and hopefully get them out of pain. Synchronous events happen. It's an adventure to track them down using, especially the LifeWeaving charts. Always ask your client what they think might have happened to trigger. What events were they going through? A divorce at the time that there was an accident? Did the two things combine to cause problems? This is what you have to look for and clear as a dowser. Be aware of synchronicity alerts. And that was our topic for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe button or give me some questions and I'd love to answer. We'll see you in the next video.